Okay, allora Madalina.
Sì.
The name is Madalina. I will translate as always English and Italian. Madalina, how old are you?
23.
23. Where are you from?
Romania.
Romania. Okay. We will speak a little Italian and English is okay for you?
Ok.
Va bene. What's your job? Do you...
E sono una studentessa.
Ok.
Sport poco, corro a volte quando
Okay,
capita.
you just some running and she's a student. And did you have any surgeries in the past? Hai avuto qualche
No.
intervento chirurgico oppure any trauma?
Assolutamente no, nessuno.
Ok, perfetto. Allora, you brought me your exams. I'm checking your x-rays and what's the issue? Qual è il problema?
Il problema è che soffro di bruxismo,
Mhm.
la notte digrigno i denti e questo mi porta soprattutto ad avere molti mal di testa, molto dolore al collo, dietro la cervicale
Mhm.
e non so se sia dovuto a questo ma anche un dolore molto molto forte alla schiena però sotto, proprio un bruciore forte soprattutto sulla destra.
Ok, allora,
Questo non penso sia dovuto.
step by step to translate. But she's coming for a bruxism and during the night she grinds a lot the teeth, so it's very important to check now the stiffness of all the mouth and all these issues are linked with an headache and a cervical pain. So we have a headache and cervical pain. So the bruxism, the grinding during the night. Headache, what kind of headache? Lo senti più...
Lo sento so che parte da qui, da
Sì.
dietro e arriva praticamente fino
bilaterale?
Esatto.
Ok, so it's a normal headache, not a migraine in this case. And the cervical pain, dove lo senti più? La parte del dolore della cervicale?
Penso più sulla sinistra.
Un pochino più sulla sinistra. E lo senti anche irradiato sul braccio?
No.
Ok, there is no irradiation towards the arm and the forearm, so we avoid all this neurological disease. And I'm checking your condition. You still have your wisdom teeth, ancora tutti i denti del
Tutti
giudizio?
quanti, sì.
Okay, we will discuss about it. Maybe sometimes it's better to take off all the wisdom teeth and ok, it's enough. What about the rest? Dove lo senti il dolore invece più basso?
Il dolore più basso sulla destra.
Sì,
La
quindi...
parte destra, ma è più che dolore, è un bruciore.
Ok,
Dolore e
something
bruciore.
like a burning sensation.
Mhm.
But lo senti a che livello? Vediamo un attimino.
E esattamente qui.
Ok, so it's a low back pain on the right.
Soprattutto quando cammino molto.
When you walk, ok. And it goes downward towards the leg, va segue la
Non
gamba?
sempre,
No, non c'è
sempre.
sciatic pain, non c'è il
No.
dolore sciatico.
A
Ok.
volte capita, ma non sempre, è
Sometimes.
più radicato lì.
Okay,
diciamo.
so today we have a very Joe matter. We will treat a mouth disease. Please sit here. Yes, come a little more backward and relax. Is it your first time?
Sì, è la prima in assoluto.
Ok, già tradotto tu. Shall we translate? Perfect. I just make a little test. The assessments are very important in this case because we need to approach the jaw, we need to approach the cervical spine, the head, so many different methods are mixed now. Abbiamo tante cose da vedere, il mal di testa, abbiamo il bruxismo, abbiamo una propria disfunzione, vedi? Generalmente mastichi a destra tu?
Sì.
I can see she, for example, choose on the right because I feel there is a bigger muscle, a masseter muscle on the right, hypertrophic muscle on the hypertrophic muscle on the right. Okay, let's start from the cervical spine. Okay, if you turn your head on this side, okay, you have a big range of motion, and on this side you have a good mobility. But you feel more pain on
La cervicale più a sinistra.
on this side, but you don't feel stuck, non ti senti
No,
bloccata?
non mi sento
Ok,
bloccata.
perfetto. Quindi più parte bassa o alta?
Bassa.
Bassa. Okay. Relax. Let's start. Perfect. It's very easy, eh? Don't worry. Good. It's not painful, okay?
Madonna.
So relax.
Infatti pensavo facesse male, invece no.
No. There is no pain. She talks it could be painful, but absolutely not. It's a tough technique, but very gentle on the parameters. Okay, other side, relax. Good.
Mamma mia.
She
Wow.
scared a little. Ci siamo?
Bello, eh?
Bello, sì. Liberatorio proprio.
It's a freedom feeling.
Sì.
And now it's very good to record with my teacher, my English teacher Adriano, my assistant, because when I talk, I try to see something new, something difficult, like tough technique, and you cannot see, but show him.
I'm here.
When I speak, he say.
Yeah, it's good,
So
it's good.
he support me.
There's a big improvement.
Absolutely the opposite of my cameraman, because when I talk to my cameraman and I say something difficult like tough technique, she look at me.
I see the
So
face, yeah.
you give me, make me brave.
Yeah.
She absolutely not. So
I
prefer-
support you, I support
I
you.
will look at you and not at my cameraman.
Dovresti vedere lei.
No, I just look at my English teacher.
You have to look to the camera.
I will not look at you. I will look maximum in the camera. But it's difficult because I try to look at the camera and she's behind the scene.
This is very bad.
I have no supporters here. Okay. Fair enough. I look at you. Now, you can take off your shoes, please. Di piccola scoliosi che controlliamo. Vediamo un attimino se effettivamente c'è qualcosa. Direi di no. Facciamo un attimo un piccolo piegamento in avanti. Piegati in avanti, giù, rilassata. Testa giù, ferma così. No. It's absolutely a perfect back. Probably some asymmetries are normal, but absolutely perfect. Ok,
Anche qui è tutto a posto?
dobbiamo ancora lavorarci parecchio qua.
No, dico sulla...
Sì.
Ah, ok, è
But,
dritto.
no, but we have, tu hai un importante fulcro qua. Che
Ah.
adesso lavoreremo dopo a pancia sotto.
Ok.
Yes, she made a very important question. Is everything okay here? Absolutely not, because I need to work on this fulcrum. You can see we have transverse. Mi passi un attimo la vertebra? Can you give me the vertebra? I will show you. We have the in this case the spinous process. This is a vertebra. I show you. This is a vertebra. This is the body of the vertebra, and this is the rear side of the vertebra. So the back side of the vertebra is the spinous process. And in this case, we have one vertebra on this line. This is a correct condition, correct position. And in this case, she stay like that because she changed the position of the vertebra. I will reduce this issue. Quindi c'era un problemino, dobbiamo riallineare una vertebra, ma lo facciamo dopo. Bene, bend forward, pieghiamoci un attimo in avanti dalla testa, di nuovo no, solo dalla testa, sì, brava, basta. Ok, face up please, pancia in su, comodi, brava, vieni un po' più su e ci rilassiamo. About the scoliosis, nothing.
Ok, perfetto.
So just, yes, you can feel here there is a stiffness, vedi che questi muscoli sono più duri. And we have a soft area.
Sì,
So
sì, lo sento proprio.
yeah,
infatti.
qui abbiamo a tough condition and here is not.
Stiffness in the muscle.
Yes, stiffness here and less severe. Just a compensation, postural compensation. So let's start from here. Turn on this side, please. Bravissima. Straighten your legs, stendi le gambe. Perfetto. E we will work on this first fulcrum. The approach is always similar in all my treatments. What I change are the spots. Sometimes I work on the first lumbar, sometimes I work on the lower lumbars. Lasciati cadere, morbida morbida, senza paura, abbandona le gambe. Brava, sì, drop your legs. Perfect. Oh, eccoci.
Mamma mia.
Face up, brava, ci siamo. Tutto bene?
Tutto bene.
Sembra che si rompe, in realtà è tutto
Esatto.
under control. Oh, and you can feel now that you start
Già lo
to
sento,
release.
sì.
È immediato. Ok, we are reducing the stiffness on the muscle because the problem is not the muscle but is the vertebra. Good. Now the lower side, so we will work on the iliac bone. Perfect. A forward rotation or a backward rotation. In this case, we need a backward rotation. So relax, more relaxed. Good, good, perfect. Take a moment to rest. Ok, let's check. Allora, you don't bother me with your elbows, non ti preoccupare perché non mi dai fastidio. Brava, morbida. Benissimo. Morbida, morbida. Brava.
È una sensazione molto piacevole però questo.
Sì, perché rilassa subito,
Sì.
no? Bene. E poi parti dolorose, no? Ci sono parti che sono
esatto.
proprio we are painful spots here, but we are starting to reduce the pain and the pressure and compression. So, okay, good. Turn on this side, please. Oh, you remember the spinous process we have here? Take a moment to rest. Okay, drop your head. Look, we are right here. So relax. Good. Ok? Ok.
Wow.
Questa non era facile. This wasn't easy. Ok. Oh, look, it's very difficult to work on this curve now. So I will reduce a little the curve. Don't help me, relax. Okay, little flexion here. I will open a little more. Yes, you can. No, you can drop your. Okay, because it's very important fulcrum. Relax. Okay, breathe. Brava, brava. Perfect. This was very important. Ci siamo?
Ci siamo.
Good. Okay. You remember there was a stiff muscle right here, so generally the hip go upward and is locked upwards. So we need to bring down. Relax. I will apply a little extra rotation. Okay. Perfect. We got it. Ci siamo?
Ci siamo.
There's an explosion inside. Come a little more upward, okay? Brava. Perfect. I'm just saving time because I'm giving time to her to release this side so I can approach the rest of the lower limbs. Keep this expression. No, keep this. I say it's recording. I said lower limbs and I gave a look at my English teacher. Lower limbs.
Part-time.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Now the face of my cameraman. Thank you for the support as always. Let's go. so you can understand how much it's difficult to work here. Thank you, Adriano.
Ma no,
You are changing my life.
my pleasure.
Relax. Good. One more, relax. Perfect, don't worry, don't be afraid, it's just an ankle. Soltanto una caviglia. Ok. Good. One more. Relax. Good. Could be enough.
Mi sento più alta in questo momento.
Sì, penso che 2 centimetri abbiamo presi. We gain 2
Couple of
centimeters.
centimeters, yeah.
Yes, couple of centimeters. No, it's enough. Okay. We can work again on the dorsal compensation. Right here. Relax. It's normal, don't worry. Good, enough. We need to wait some minutes because we are changed too much. So the body needs a moment to absorb all the new modifications. I look at you. Ci siamo? Allora, piano piano ricontrolliamo un attimino finalmente la cervicale, perché adesso non abbiamo più compensi, quindi è più facile intervenire. After to take off all the compensations, it's more easy to approach again the cervical. Relax. As I told you, very easy. And now let's check the rest. Easy. We are laughing because I'm looking at my cameraman so proud of myself. Good. Perfect. Now please turn on the other side. Brava, stay on your elbows. Ci mettiamo proprio sui gomiti.
Ok.
Su come se fossimo una sfinge.
ok.
Brava, infatti il nome è proprio Sphinx Technique, che è una delle mie tecniche preferite. One of my favorite techniques. You find in many of my videos. Ok, relax. I need just to check. Ok, drop your head, lascia cadere la testa, quindi rimani ordinata così, brava, però la testa deve proprio cadere. La tengo io, da adesso in poi. Brava, rilassatissima, fatto, facilissimo. Morbida, morbida, abbandona. Rilassati, rilassati, rilassati. Brava. Other side. I help you. Ok. More relaxed, more relaxed, more relaxed. Good. Enough. Ci siamo?
Ci siamo.
Faremo un piccolo, we work a little on the sacrum.
Sacrum, yeah.
In this case, more on the, just a little more on the right side, but we can work on both bases. Relax. Okay, we got it. It's enough. More relaxed. Good. One more, but I need to work on the rib. Take a moment to rest. Good. Okay, just one technique on the sacrum.
One technique, yeah.
Thank you. Open as always the
Yeah.
sacrum iliac joints. And we go.
Lasciamo. Fai compressione in questa direzione, ok? Se fastidio lo dici.
in few minutes we will approach the jaw.
Ok.
Thank you. Okay. Please face up. We will make another X-ray after we will take off the wisdom teeth. Ok? Dopo che leveremo i denti del giudizio faremo un altro RX poi. E probabilmente queste saranno important reasons. The wisdom teeth generally are linked with important mouth disease. Sono spesso problematici i denti del giudizio e quindi in questo caso li valuteremo. Sì, lei she's grinding a lot. The chew is it's a tough chew.
Yeah, it's very powerful.
Allora Adriano, we will approach the patient with a massetere e internal pterygoid approach.
Yeah.
Try to release, lascia un po' rilassata la bocca, perché sta proprio, it's a very grinding
Yeah. It's
condition.
very contracted, yeah.
Ok, relax. More relaxed. Ok. Allora, I start to treat the muscles. Then you will finish, I'm talking with Adriano, you will finish the treatment. But I just need to approach this muscle because I need to release. Because here is a very serious and grave condition. Relax. Try to relax. Try to relax. Ok, don't worry. Try to relax. Ok, try to relax. Good. Ci siamo? Un po' di
Che è
fastidietto
difficile
qua,
rilassarla
e
perché
poi
è sempre
qui
molto sì.
si sente. Open a little your mouth. Brava. Ok, adesso rilassati. Lascia morbida la bocca. Brava. 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 Ok, ancora una. Morbida. Ancora una. Brava. Ci sei?
Male, un po' male.
Un po' male. Pausetta. Little break. I treat this for a while. Open a little. Brava. Lascia morbida. Morbida. Ok. Più doloroso questo, vero?
Sì.
Aspettiamo un attimo. I need to finish here. You can show. Look. Show the cheek. You can see we are drawing the muscle. So you can see the profile of the muscle because it's very stiff. So open a little. Okay, thank you. Relax. One more. Ah, okay, it's done. No, it's okay.
Ho sentito
Hai sentito
la
come-
differenza proprio,
Brava,
sì.
all'improvviso è ceduto.
È vero.
The moment you start to release, suddenly we reach the goal. So good achievement. It's perfect now. Ok. Now release your mouth. Devi proprio lasciare la mandibola scivolare, morbida, morbida, morbida. Come se la bocca fosse socchiusa. Brava. Morbida, morbida. Lascia rilassata. Abbandonatissima. Brava. Falla abbandonare, falla abbandonare. Brava. Abbandoniamo. Ok. Yes. Leave your mouth. Ok. More relaxed. Yes. Ci siamo?
Ci siamo.
Questo è uno sblocco di una mandibola. Welcome to the club. The Joe Club. It's not the Fight Club, it's the Joe Club. Riprenditi perché lo so che è stato un pochino particolare,
Però sento molto meglio adesso.
Eh sì,
Cioè,
già vedrai che
meno tensione.
è completamente libera. This is a serious Joe. Perfect, absolutely perfect. Let's approach a moment the occiput, maybe a shift, and we close the treatment. Okay, thank you. Relax. Okay, more relaxed, don't worry. Okay, more relaxed. Okay, perfect. Relax, relax. Sì, sì. Good. Everything okay? Other side, Bea, please. I need to apply a shift more, but I want to close with the rotation. Perfect. Trust me, relax. More relaxed. Good. It's enough, it's enough. Okay, we will work on this one. Maybe. Let me check just a moment. Please, Bea, turn around a moment because I need to check something. More relaxed. Good. Yes, perfect. Relax. Oh, perfect. Yes, last one and we go. Please, thank you. Sit on this side. Prenditi un momentino per riposarti perché è stato un trattamento pesante, difficile. It was a very hard treatment. Please come a little more backward, ok? E adesso lasciali cadere rilassata, abbandonata, brava. Partiamo proprio da qua. Morbida, brava. Rilassati. Più rilassata che puoi, brava, abbiamo finito. Oh, perfetto. This is a shift on the occiput. Very important for all the jaw. This is, let's check just the last one. I will check the first vertebra and the occiput. It's just a check. Relax. More relaxed. Yes, perfect. Easy, perfect. Easy going. Good. Perfect. Easy going. Okay. Teacher,
Great.
thank you. Ok, well done.
Ah, Madonna. Pesante,
Pesante.
però liberatorio,
Eh.
sì.
Dici tutte le sensazioni e sono parecchie. Prova un attimino tutti i movimenti. The pillow please. E soprattutto anche la bocca.
La bocca la sento
Perché poi
proprio-
parleremo
sì.
dei consigli per il bruxismo.
La bocca la sento molto meno tesa, ecco. Prima ero sempre in tensione, adesso un po' meno.
Mhm.
E la schiena, wow. Proprio movimenti circolari completi.
E il discorso invece anche della cervicale?
E la cervicale sì. La sento comunque un po' dolorante,
Sì,
è normale,
è stato
penso.
forte il
Sì, è stato
trattamento.
forte, però sì, sicuramente meglio.
Ok, we made a very tough treatment today, and she feels improvements absolutely on the jaw. Little stiffness still here on the neck, but it's normal. We will give about 3 hours just to reduce the inflammation. The rest is absolutely a good result. Yes, it was a very hard treatment today, but we are happy you watch this kind of approach too. Please, Adriano, come with me. We will follow her with a protocol for the jaw and for the cervical. We will explain all the exercise. You will see the exercise with Adriano, and let's say goodbye to our friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Bye guys.